And you just get to a point in the stage in your life where you just want peace. And every day I wake up, bro, I just thank God for just waking me up regardless, giving me another shot at life to make something of myself better than I was yesterday. You know what I mean? That means a lot to me, at least. I don't know if it means much to anybody else, but to be able to wake up and see your family again, to see your kids, to see your friends, to appreciate the folks that you have around, to be useful, to utilize your skills and set tools that was given to you by God and help others. That's the purpose for everybody on this earth, is to utilize the gifts that was given to you by God to help others. Whatever gift that you carry, it was given to you to use to help others. That's why everybody has gifts that are different from others. Your gift is to help somebody else. That's it.